Well, hello there guys. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I have packed my family of 5. The 5th one doesn't quite count for the food because she's only 8 months old almost, right? And she doesn't eat more than like 1 meal a day. But we are actually going on vacation soon to my husband's grandparents' house, and they are not vegan at all, and so we are packing pretty much all of our food. So I was getting ready and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna film this because it might be helpful to some people that are newer to being vegan, kind of get an idea of what you can pack that's easy to make on your own at their home. If you're going to someone's house, you need to pack or bring your own food. Then hopefully this will give you some pointers. We had to go to my husband's grandparents last year when there was going to be a hurricane here, and that was, we were newly vegan at that point, so we didn't really know what we were doing, packing to leave. But so I think we pretty much got pizza like almost every night, just vegan like versions of Little Caesars pizza, which is not all that exciting. Now we have been doing this for a while though, and we are going on actually I think almost 11 months, which is crazy because August will be 1 year. So I'm gonna show you guys what we have. So this is the spread that I have. I am gonna say off the bat that we are gonna get our fruits and vegetables there. My husband's grandparents are gonna be buying us a ton of fruit, so they said they'd have that for us already, and then we're gonna get some vegetables, specific vegetables just for snacking and for meals, which I'll talk about as I go through everything. That is a pointer for sure. Being vegan, you probably eat a lot of fruit and vegetables. Unless you need it for the trip, don't like waste space packing it up here, unless you have like a crazy good deal, or maybe you are someone that has like a really good farmer's market by you and you just want to stock up anyways. I would prefer just getting it there. It doesn't have to take up room in your car, and when you're in and out of the car and it gets hot, when you have the air off, it's just get it when you get to your location. Alrighty, so we're gonna start with this right here. This is kind of like our packaged stuff. So we have these sea salt almond crackers just for snacking, grape tomatoes. This is one of the few vegetable fruits that I already have in here because the girls will snack on them while we're actually driving. I have these right here for the girls. They are gluten-free spinach herb wraps. We put some peanut butter and some strawberry or banana on there for lunches. We have some Glutino gluten-free pretzel sticks. We are not a gluten-free household, but my middle child, Arianna, is intolerant to it, is what we are thinking. It's pretty obvious that's what's going on. So I don't want to overwhelm her with gluten, so I got those just for snacking on. They can snack on it with hummus, which we'll bring with, that's in the fridge, and peanut butter. Then I got these just for the trip, these little mini crunchy peanut butter bars. They're the Cliff Bars, but they're mini versions, which I thought was kind of cool. My local grocery store had those. So I grabbed those for easy go snacks. Peanut butter. It's another thing is like allow yourself, if you are someone that eats like pretty minimally processed typically, allow yourself to get some more like fun processed stuff for the trip. I remember growing up and being a kid and being really excited for like road trip snacks. And so I still want my kids to be able to like have the fun with that, you know? At home, we've actually gotten down to pretty minimally processed. I think we only have 2 things in our house that even have added sugar in them. We've been doing really good. And so one of those things is fruit snacks. I think our girls have had 1 fruit snack in like over a month, probably 2 months. It's been a while. So I did pack some fruit snacks for them for this trip. Nothing crazy fancy, it's just the Mott's ones. These have no artificial colors and they are gelatin free, so they're vegan friendly. They're the least expensive, best budget friendly, vegan and dye free fruit snacks that you can get. So this specifically will be up front with me to just kind of grab and give to the girls. We're driving overnight, so I shouldn't really need that many snacks for them because they should be sleeping, but in case they're not, I wanted to have a few things for them. Okay, so I showed the peanut butter already right here. We have some cashews to snack on and some pistachios. Now this is for actual meals over here. Like I said, the vegetables we're gonna get there. We'll probably just get like broccoli and asparagus for most of our meals. Things that we can just like pop in their toaster oven and get done. This right here though, I made overnight oats for our breakfasts. So these are the adult ones, and these are the kids ones. And then back here I have some tempeh that I made. This is just something that we can snack on or we could use in meals too. I will have a recipe down below, not exacts, but what I put on this, and then I threw them in the air fryer. They actually taste pretty good cold, so we just snack on them straight out of the fridge, so it's a good option if you need something quick. Then I have the Go-Go quinoa noodles for a meal. 2 things of rice here. I was just gonna bring 1, but we ended up cooking more than we needed, so these can be used for Ryan and I's lunches too. I have a thing of pre-cooked kidney beans. These are frozen right now. I have some Dr. Praeger's burgers, which will be mostly for Ryan and I for lunches. We'll pick up lettuce when we're there so we can make like burger salads. Then we have our pre-made mac and cheese sauce. This just came out of the freezer. And I have 2 things of taco veggie meat that I made and froze a while ago. So we're gonna bring those. So when we get there, we can get like the different added things that we need, like salsa and stuff, so we can have tacos one night. This is something I have to finish making tonight. If you guys don't already follow my Kid Approved Vegan Instagram page, make sure you guys go check that out. But I showed this recipe here. They are homemade veggie balls, which my girls have been liking. I'm gonna make more of those to bring with for all of us, for lunches, maybe even dinners for the girls. And then I'm gonna bring these for one night, so we can just cook these on the grill there. And we'll pick up buns when we get there and get our fruits and vegetables. And then I have Banza chickpea noodles here for a meal as well. So we're gonna grab just a thing of spaghetti sauce when we're there too. So we're not gonna go out of the way to like bring too many bulk things if we don't need to. Spaghetti sauce is something we can easily get at the store, and I realized that I'm apparently out anyways, unless it's hiding behind the salsa, which I didn't move out of the way. But that's okay, we'll just get things like that. We'll get the asparagus and broccoli to snack on, and other vegetables like green peppers, cucumbers, just easy grab things. We're gonna be at his grandparents where they have a pool, so you kind of more just snack throughout the day, have a meal here or there. So we just want to have things that are easily accessible. Almost forgot to show you guys this stuff. So this right here is a 7-grain bread. It is not gluten-free, but I've noticed Ari doesn't have an issue with this, and I think it's because it's mostly sprouted grains in it. So this is the bread that we get actually from Costco. I have some chow cheese, so if we want to do like a simple grilled cheese for lunches, we could do that. Then we have the jackfruit company. I actually haven't tried this, so I don't know if it's good, but throw this on some rice with some asparagus, and I feel like it could be real good. So I haven't tried this brand, like I said, but we have had jackfruit and we like it. And then I have apples for the ride. And then I have these for in the morning of our trip because we're gonna get there pretty early morning. So if the girls wake up or us, obviously we can have something quick to have on the road and just pull it out of the cooler. So these are Khalifa Farms probiotic dairy-free yogurts. I haven't tried these either. They had really good reviews though online. So that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Of course, this is not a depiction of what we eat typically in like a week's time. This is, we're going on vacation. We wanna make sure we hit all the things that we need, but we also wanna make sure that it's easy stuff and stuff that I know my kids are gonna eat, and I'm not gonna have to be stressed out about that. Our girls are already going to be in a new location, so I'm not gonna bring in something new for them to try. I'm gonna keep it things that I know are tried and true recipes, and it's not gonna be a fight with them, and that it's just things they're comfortable with because they're already going to be in a location that's newer to them. So that is a big helpful thing, is don't try getting too adventurous with your foods if you're packing them. So that is gonna be it. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments below, what is your go-to thing that you pack for your kids food-wise when you go on vacation or on a long trip? I wanna know down in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.